Saan mo yung kuha? Yung insurance mo?
Ano? Where are we going?
Sylvan Lake.
Sylvan Lake?
Yeah.
Karahan yun. Hala, sige. What?
We're going to the beach.
Yes, we're going to the beach.
What's that mean? What's that?
Go.
Where is the beach?
There, at the other side. This is the beach. Water. There. Oh, hello. Taob. Yeah. Airbnb.
I want to go beach. Where again?
This is the beach.
Ice cream shop.
Mag-lunch mo may Oh, may karaw. Yak karaw.
I want some.
Dito ba niyo para makuha mo yung buong silver?
I don't know.
I don't know. Ting 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 like a ting ting.
What is that called?
Guitar.
No.
The violin.
No.
No.
Bus.
Bus. Is this a bus?
Yeah.
That's scary. Hello guys! We are at Sylvan Lake today and currently we're just getting our breakfast before we start our day exploring the place with Tyler and family. Look at this view guys. The cafe is so good. It's nice. It's still early. So medyo ano pa, hindi pa masyadong marami yung tao ngayon kasi maaga kaming pumunta dito. Ibang usapan na kapag pumunta ka dito ng late na, like mga alas 11, alas 12, punuan na yung mga spots na pwede kang mag-set up ng mo, ng camp or place mo para tumambay, ganun. Pero since na maaga kami, madami pang spots at saka hindi pa masyadong marami yung mga tao. So makakakuha kami ng mas magandang pwesto later on. We are at the beachfront overlooking at the lake. And ito yung sa harap namin, ito yung cafe. Tapos merong couch dito na pwede kaming dito kami magkakape outside. Tapos meron siya lang free na blanket para pag malamig, like ngayong umaga malamig, pwede kaming maging cozy. Yan, itong mga in-order namin for now kasi andun pa sina Erwin at saka sina Benji sa loob. They are still waiting for the foods kasi nag-order kami ng breakfast Yan. It's so nice here. Ayan na ang aming breakfast. Puro naman matatamis ang breakfast natin. Hi! Concentrate?
There's no driving boats.
Not yet.
It's parking.
Yeah. Nakapark pa.
Parking.
Yes, see what is called. Oh, you get great.
Huhog ka ha? Nabaw malang kaso lang. Mabasa ka. Mabasa ka.
Is this a cold?
Ha?
Is this cold?
It is cold.
Let's get on. Get us something to swim.
Come here, you go there.
Baka maano siya, malusot. Baka malusot siya, Brad.
Katu.
Hawak lang ikaw.
Katu.
Hindi.
Pwede ron.
Baka ano, lambot lang.
Dito. Come here.
Because it's too wet over there.
You touch the water. Touch the water.
Mm.
Yeah. It's cold? Is it cold?
Cold? Try again, try again.
Okay.
Here, over here.
Here.
Scared?
It's so hot. It's so
It's so hot.
It's so hot. It's so cold. Ang pinalapong. You're hot or you're cold.
I guess
Later it's gonna get hot because it's a sunny day.
See that bunny? Oh, it's cold.
Oh, now you see? Now you know. We're going home na.
Dito, Bebo.
Halin ka ron.
Is this yuck? Yuck.
Saying.
Okay, hold.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay, step.
Hold lang, hold.
Step. Okay,
Step where your
you're
daddy is
supposed to go,
stepping.
step
Here?
Ako malapit.
Oh, there's a spider.
2. I hold you, don't worry.
Ako kaya magapang na tayo.
Ama, nagatiniliid ka. Pinalapong.
Step lumapit.
Video mo na.
Oh, there's a spider.
Nulolo na. Ang kiton ka ka spider. Balak.
Go there. Okay, stay like this.
Why?
Stay like that.
Over here.
Here.
Here?
Yeah.
Why?
Hold. No, hold it. Okay.
Where's the spider?
Wala na, hindi.
Ano dito?
Magumot ha. Madanlog.
Buyot, buyot. Sadap, sadap. Oh. Just stand up.
Okay.
Oh,
Pero
there's
kaya,
a spider.
Kuhan ka yan.
Pututoy. There's a shark. We're going to bite your pututoy.
No, there's no shark.
Is it cold?
Baby, it's colder. Look, touch it.
Enough.
Touch na naman siya. Mas malinis dito kaysa.
You like cold?
Yeah, I like cold.
Parang kung nasa Pilipinas ka
I
na.
don't wanna wear socks.
Huh?
I don't wanna go.
Later.
No, you have to wear your socks.
What about shoes?
Of course you need to wear your shoes.
Why? But I need
Because.
to go there.
We'll go there after.
We're going this way. Look at the tree.
Puno na yung diaper mo.
You should be walking. Can you hold it? Can you take care of it?
Why?
Because I'm going to hold it, okay? Don't give it to mommy, just you. No, don't give it to mommy. That's your
Bahay na tayo. Matulog na. Ay, tinakpan natin sila.
dami, oh.
Are you hungry?
I want fried chicken
And what else?
and rice.
And rice?
Yeah.
And what else?
And sausage.
Huh?
And lumpia.
Okay.
Mom, chicken ako na lumpia. And ano, rice.
Thank. Please.
Please.
Thank you.
What's this? Here you are.
Hindi, may masama.
Keep it. Heyo, Toto. Heyo, Toto.
Bongkol. What?
Are you going to the beach now?
It's not a beach, it's a different land.
Are you going now on the beach?
Stop talking while eating.
Walking?
Eat.
You happy? You happy?
Yeah.
What do you say? What do you say to Tito Bebet?
Beep. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nanumandas ang biyog. Sagagmandas tansang. Igan ng igan ka kay ano, grandma.
Sinong grandma?
Igan